Uh-oh, she gave y'all Chico. Shouts out to LaTanya. Or is that Toya? Tanya. See, I said it right. Anyways, let me get around here. I gotta remind y'all, I ain't care if I ain't smoking, right? Anyways, here's my setup for the day. We got out our vertical tower. What up, Sue? You know, our strawberries in there, and then them dragon fruit. Then there's my stand for my phone. There's Spider Pig chilling over there. Then I got my concentrate. Y'all saw we whipped them up earlier. Boom, shouts out to them concentrate reviews. Then I got another vertical wall tower. That's the one you just mount on the wall and go with. Got a couple of them dab straws. Shout out to them dab straws. Then of course y'all know we represent that Yokin consultations out here. I got them on deck. We gonna be doing some dabs with people, keeping it cracking. And then of course I got some more plants because they like to see the plants when you're an indoor gardener. So I brought out a little piece of the vine whip today. Shouts out to the vine whip. I'm pretty sure Izzy will appreciate that later, right? Said he brought out the vine whip. Yeah, we vine whipping today. Then we got the big homie. Here's his table. He over here holding down that Lockhart Farms. Of course, he's got everything out as far as his table and his merch set up. He got some good over here. Y'all notice he got that cheetah piss. Y'all see that's grown in my garden, so y'all already know he knows what it is. He's located over here on East 40 Highway in Independence, Missouri. So y'all make sure y'all hit him up. Y'all see what it's called, Booty and Bombs. Smoking accessory. I'm gonna definitely lock him in with a sponsorship. Definitely lock him in. We've been networking the whole time I've been here. Helped him set his whole deal up and all that. Then of course, here go the flyer for the event. Y'all know it's going down. So we have a wet t-shirt contest, pole trick contest, and a twerk contest. So somebody let them know to get on out here, right? Right. Of course, boom. Y'all already know. They still doing renovations on the building, so we gonna keep it popping and play it regardless. What's going on? What's going on?
I got you a sale, man. I want to know with the automatic pump, how much and can I get it next week? The tower?
The tower?
Yeah, you want to order through you or just suggest that with Amazon?
If you gonna order it, go ahead and order it. Cause I mean, that's why I said it's on Amazon.
I appreciate that. You know, somebody else, you know what I'm saying?
I mean,
the prices, so.
I don't even know if my Amazon affiliate is open right now because every 6 months they close it down if you don't hit a certain amount. So
The name of it? Plant tower?
it's a vertical plant tower. Yeah, see, I done recommended that plant tower to somebody and they finna pick it up. See what I'm saying? That's what we out here doing. Locking him in because he's trying to get it in. Here go my dude Earlish right here though. He the one setting this whole thing up. Shouts out to Big Brody making these player moves. Y'all already know how we do though. We out here doing our thing. What up, fam? We got people's already getting them out here, see? Let's go. So they still moving stuff around. What up, Brody?
I've been looking at your videos. You've been posting a lot lately.
Well, I always post a lot. The more I post, the more people might see me.
I didn't see the one that you had scheduled like
I've been having 420 videos every day. Well, I do my regular live